On the sun-drenched plains of Africa, one creature stands above all: the lion. With every sunrise, its silhouette graces the horizon, a living emblem of power and majesty. The golden light seems to honor its presence, casting a regal glow over the king of these wild lands. For centuries, humans have called it the king of the beasts, a title earned, not given. Across cultures and generations, the lion has inspired awe, respect, and even fear. Its image is woven into myths, legends, and the very fabric of African heritage. The lion's power, confidence, and regal bearing set it apart. Every movement is deliberate, every glance filled with quiet authority. It is a creature that commands attention without effort. It strides openly, commanding respect from all who see it. Even the wind seems to part for its passage, as if nature itself acknowledges its rule. Other animals instinctively give way, recognizing its dominance. The mere sight of a lion is enough to send herds scattering, a silent testament to its reputation as a top predator. The lion's roar echoes for miles, a declaration of authority. It is a sound that stirs the heart and chills the air, reminding all who hear it that the king is near. Its family, the pride, is a complex social unit, working together to survive. Within the pride, bonds are forged through play, grooming, and shared responsibility, creating a powerful sense of unity. As a top predator, the lion shapes the very landscape it inhabits. Its hunting strategies and territorial patrols influence the movements of countless other species, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Its presence is vital to the balance of life on the African plains. Without the lion, the intricate web of life would unravel, affecting everything from the smallest insect to the tallest giraffe. In this journey, we'll explore the lion's world, from its hunting grounds to the heart of its family. We'll witness the drama of the hunt, the tenderness of a mother with her cubs, and the challenges faced by these magnificent animals. We'll witness its skill, its power, and the meaning behind its magnificent mane. Each strand tells a story of battles fought and won, of survival and strength. By the end, you'll see why the lion's title as king is more than just a name. It is a legacy, built on courage, leadership, and an unbreakable bond with the land. It's a tribute to an animal that truly rules with unmatched grace. Every step, every glance, every roar is a reminder of its royal status. The lion is not just a symbol of strength, it is royalty in the wild. Its presence is a living testament to the beauty and power of nature. Welcome to the kingdom of the lion, where every day is a new chapter in the story of Africa's most iconic ruler. The lion's kingdom is the African Savanna, a vast, open grassland stretching as far as the eye can see, beneath an endless, ever-changing sky. Here the horizon glows with the first light of dawn and blazes with the colors of sunset, painting a breathtaking canvas each day. In this sweeping landscape, tall golden grasses sway gently in the wind, providing both shelter and camouflage for the lions that call this place home. These grasses are not just scenery, they are essential tools for hunting, allowing lions to stalk their prey unseen. The open spaces, meanwhile, offer a commanding view, letting predators and prey alike spot danger or opportunity from afar. Life here is shaped by the rhythm of the seasons. During the dry months, the land becomes parched and resources grow scarce, testing the resilience of every creature. But when the rains finally arrive, the savanna is transformed into a lush, green paradise, bursting with new life and energy. This dramatic change brings hope and abundance, but also new challenges. Lions must adapt to these shifting conditions. In the heat of the day, they seek refuge in the shade of acacia trees, conserving their strength. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, they become active, tracking the great herds that migrate across the plains in search of fresh grazing. The savanna teems with life. Herds of wildebeest, zebra, buffalo, giraffes, elephants and gazelles move together across the open plains. Each species plays a vital role in this ecosystem, shaping the land and supporting one another in a delicate balance. For the lions, these herds are the lifeblood of their world, providing both food and challenge. Every hunt is a test of skill, patience, and teamwork, as lions must outwit their prey and work together to succeed. But the savanna is also a place of danger. Rival predators like hyenas are always near, ready to steal a meal or challenge the lions for dominance. Competition is fierce, and survival is never guaranteed. To rule here, a lion must be powerful, intelligent, and resilient. It takes more than strength alone. Success depends on keen instincts, sharp senses, and the ability to adapt to constant change. The lion must know the rhythms of the land, the habits of every creature, and the subtle signs that reveal opportunity or threat. Every day brings new lessons and new challenges. At the top of this intricate web, the lion stands as both ruler and participant, shaping the savanna and being shaped by it in return. Its survival depends on understanding the savanna's ever-changing patterns, weather, migration, and the delicate balance of life and death. The kingdom offers abundance, but only to those who can master its challenges. Every day is a new test, demanding courage, skill, and adaptability. For the lion, every day is a test of strength and strategy. Even the youngest cubs learn these lessons early, play fighting in the grass as they prepare for the challenges ahead. This is the stage on which the king's story unfolds, a place of beauty, danger, and endless possibility. The African savanna is the lion's true domain, a land where only the boldest and most adaptable can truly thrive. Unlike other big cats, lions are deeply social, living in close-knit family groups called prides. These prides are the very heart of lion society, shaping every aspect of their lives on the African plains. At the core of the pride are the lionesses, mothers, daughters and sisters, bound by lifelong ties of loyalty and cooperation. Their relationships form the foundation of the pride's strength. Working together, the lionesses hunt, raise cubs, and defend their home. Their teamwork is essential for survival, allowing them to take down prey much larger than themselves and protect their young from danger. Adult males, often brothers or close relatives, serve as the pride's protectors. They patrol the territory's boundaries, keeping rivals at bay and ensuring the safety of the group. Yet their reign is often brief. New younger males constantly challenge the dominant males, leading to fierce battles for control of the pride. When new males take over, they secure their legacy by fathering the next generation of cubs, ensuring their bloodline continues. Cubs are the pride's future, raised communally by all the lionesses. Each female helps care for, protect, and teach the young, creating a true sense of family. Cooperative parenting means any cub can nurse from any female, boosting their chances of survival and strengthening the bonds between pride members. Playful cubs spend hours wrestling and chasing each other, learning vital skills through games that prepare them for the challenges of adulthood. Lions rest up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for the intense bursts of activity required for hunting and defending their territory. Social bonds are reinforced through grooming and affectionate gestures, which help maintain harmony and reduce tension within the pride. This unity makes the pride a formidable force on the plains, able to face threats and challenges together that no single lion could withstand alone. The pride is the lion's greatest strength, a dynasty ruling the savanna, generation after generation. Every member, from the smallest cub to the oldest matriarch, has a role to play. Together, they thrive in a world where cooperation is the key to survival. In the world of lions, family is power, and the pride is their legacy. The lionesses are the pride's primary hunters, working together with remarkable skill. Their teamwork allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves: buffalo, wildebeest, even giraffes. Hunts often begin at dawn or dusk, using darkness for cover. Lionesses spread out, some circling prey, others lying in ambush. Silent signals coordinate their attack. When the moment comes, they burst from cover in a coordinated assault. The hunt is swift and powerful, ending with a decisive bite. After a kill, the male lion eats first, his strength vital for the pride's protection. Lionesses and cubs wait their turn, following the savanna's law. This hierarchy ensures the pride's survival. The hunt and the feast are rituals of the lion's reign. In the pride, every meal is a testament to cooperation and order. A male lion's greatest duty is defending his territory, the pride's most precious asset. He patrols the borders, marking with scent and leaving visible signs of ownership. These warnings tell rivals, this land is claimed, but challenges are constant. Nomadic males seek to take over. When intruders cross the line, fierce battles erupt. Fights are brutal, testing strength and resolve. Victory means continued rule and safety for his cubs. Defeat brings loss. New males may kill existing cubs to establish their own lineage. The stakes are high, the king's reign is always at risk, his vigilance is the pride's shield. Every patrol, every roar, is a declaration of power. The male's role as defender is vital to the pride's survival. In the wild, only the strongest kings endure. The lion's rule is written in the land itself. To be king is to fight for every day of your reign. Nothing in Africa is as iconic as the lion's roar. It's a declaration of power, echoing for miles across the plains. The roar marks territory, warning rivals and uniting the pride. Prides often roar together, amplifying their presence and deterring challengers. The sound also helps pride members find each other across vast distances. Each lion's roar is unique, a family signature in the wild. The lion's anatomy, with its special larynx and vocal cords, creates this thunderous sound. The roar starts as a low rumble, building to a deafening crescendo. It's the voice of the king, a sound that commands respect. The roar is both a weapon and a bond. It is the very essence of the lion's rule. The male lion's mane is his crown, a thick, dark collar that sets him apart. It makes him look larger and more intimidating, a clear signal of strength. The mane protects during fights, absorbing blows aimed at the head and neck. Its condition advertises health and vitality. A full, dark mane means a strong, dominant male. Lionesses prefer males with impressive manes, seeing them as better protectors. For rivals, a formidable mane is a warning. The mane develops as a young male matures, reaching its peak by age 5. Climate and genetics influence its size and color. The mane is both armor and symbol, a perfect blend of beauty and function. It is the ultimate mark of the king. The lion's kingship is about more than power, it's about balance. As a keystone species, the lion shapes the entire savanna ecosystem. By hunting large herbivores, lions prevent overgrazing and protect the landscape. Their kills feed not just the pride, but a host of scavengers, hyenas, jackals, vultures. The lion's presence keeps prey herds moving, allowing grasslands to recover. This landscape of fear maintains diversity and health across the plains. Every action of the lion ripples through the food web. Without lions, the savanna would change dramatically, losing its balance. The king's reign supports countless other species. The lion is essential to the stability of its world. Its rule is the foundation of the African ecosystem. The savanna thrives under the lion's watch. On the African plains, the lion is the undisputed king. Its rule is seen in every aspect of its life, from the pride's unity to the thunder of its roar. The lion's presence shapes the land and commands respect from all creatures. Its mane, its power, its social bonds, all mark it as royalty. Other animals recognize the lion's authority, giving way to its dominance. The lion's legacy is one of strength, complexity, and balance. It is a king forged by the wild, a symbol of Africa's untamed spirit. As long as its roar echoes across the plains, the lion's reign endures. The lion is not just a king in name, but in every action and every step. The true and enduring king of the African plains.